Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to debug a Node.js application. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically this is the code for the app.js. So let's go and just add the code. It's already there, I guess. This is okay, just we have to just add this, okay, where we have added the debugger, okay, and the consoles, right? Save this, go to the terminal. We have to run this node inspect, okay, and node inspect server.js, right? Just hit the enter, so it will go with this one. So you have to go to the Chrome, and here you mention Chrome inspect, yeah, inspect is there. Okay, open discover the networks. So here we have the networks. Let's add the local host 3000, I suppose. Otherwise it doesn't need it. Open. So API is listening on here. You can see that the connection is here, and if I open this link, here you can see debugger is there. Okay, when I just move the debugger, so here just go with the next. Now the printing console.log, here you can see that hello world. Okay, and let's go to the sources, then hello world 2 it will go. If I go with the next one, so here you can see hello world 2 is writing, and now this response will come when I just do the next one. Now the response come, okay, and in the debugger here you can see, where is the debugger, this is the debugger, and it comes to that one response dot send hello world. Response is printing, and here you can see, just me scroll down, and here you can see the response servers, we have all the events, right? I make like this. Okay, so this code is running and the debugger is there. Okay, so this is the first step that you can do the debugging. Okay, in the console everything is written. So this is how you can debug the node.js application with the help of the node inspect. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next video we will learn much more on like how to debug the node.js application. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.